Hello, welcome to Markets of Sunshine. This is the place for you to learn how to be grateful, unlock your creativity, planning with journal and gratitude prompts, all under one community. So I'm going to be sharing with you today the August Embellishments Kit Club items and what I did with it and how I used it in my journal. So these are available in my Etsy shop once a month. A new kit comes out every month. So today's the last day, August 31st, 2021, for you to be able to get this eco-friendly embellishment kit, which was eco-dyed papers and eco-printing on fabric. So this was the eco-printing on the fabric, and here's the eco-printing on the paper. And I do organic tea and organic plants and vegetables. So edible plants and organic vegetables and organic tea. So this was the watercolor paper. That's what I did the calligraphy on here. And so I just want to go through and do a quick flip through of the journal and how it turned out. So I used washi. I used the fabric eco-printed. And again, like I said here, I used my new Zig Calligraphy Markers. I told you I would show you these. I finally got them. So this is a fun set, and I will show you real quickly how that these write so beautifully. And anyone can be an instant calligrapher with these markers. So one end has this wider chisel tip. And then the other end is a narrow chisel tip. And this set here is a pack of 4. And I have a link for my Amazon store. And it's an affiliate link, so I make a little bit of a commission, but it does not increase the price for you at all. And it helps support my channel so I can continue to bring you these free video tutorials. So this page is all about gratitude, and I will be using my gratitude journal prompts now on a monthly basis, and I have a list that I've made. I sat down, I'm brainstorming, and I'm just coming out with whatever comes into my mind of what I've been using for years and years and years in my journals. And when I started keeping a gratitude journal, and how, you know, the things that I think about when I sit down each day, so that you're not just repetitive and thinking, you know, some things I do repeat, you know. Thank God for being alive, for one. And, you know, my personal thing. So, it just depends on what, you know, how you feel and what you think about and what you believe in. That's all that is how you'll be geared toward your gratitude journal prompts. But there are some basics. And so I've made up a list and I'm sharing it with my newsletter subscribers. So I just give you a little tidbit of actually 7 journal prompts a week's worth, and you could, you know, do one a week. I mean, if you're just, you know, however often you want to be writing in your gratitude journal is completely up to you. So now I've used the narrow tip and wrote September here on this piece of the eco printed paper, and then I used the wider tip on the other paper here, so that you can see the difference in the two and how the lines look. And now I've done my meal planning layout. I've used my Stampin' Write, Stampin' Up! Markers, planner stickers that I purchased from Busy Bee Planner Shop on Etsy. And then on this page, more of those stickers, cute here, because in Florida, we don't really get 4 seasons, you know, it's like hot all the year long. And so we really get more of like a summer and a fall, you know, spring. Yes. Okay. So, you know, but there's flowers all the time in Florida. I mean, it's like, you know, my garden is constantly in bloom. I'm sharing that with you, you know, on my daily sunshine challenge. So this is my month at a glance layout. And so I have come in here already, like I said, filled it in using the stickers. And then this is my meal planning page. And then this is now going to be my gratitude page. And I'm just going to start filling it up I think too, with more journal prompts, and I'm going to use the list that I already have in my other notebook. And that whole journal prompt list, I'm trying to get 100, but I think what I will do is release them in a set of 30, so like a month's worth, and then keep doing that and adding on to that listing, so it could be a 30-day journal prompt list, or a 60-day, or a 90-day. You see, but my goal is to get up to a whole year's worth. So I want to have 365 unique journal prompts. So this is it. That's all I wanted to share with you today. Quick and easy, quick like a bunny. And I just wanted to share with you real quick how this marker works. So let me just show that with you really quick. And I'm going to get another piece of my tea-dyed paper, and I'm just going to come in here. Now, to going up, you always use the lighter pressure, thinner stroke. Down is our heavier stroke. And so let me open it up here so that you can see the September again, so that you can see the comparison. All right, so this is what we did. So I'm just going to write September again, and I'm going to use both ends so that you can see this. Just a matter of, with this particular type of marker with the chiseled side, when you're going up, you just keep it on the edge and you're writing with the edge. When you're going down, you turn it and then you're putting the pressure, and you're just very, very light pressure. You don't have to put a lot of pressure with this, like you would a brush tip. And then it's allowing you to write with that wider tip. Let me show you the same thing. Now, the only thing that I will tell you with these markers, for some reason this end is very snug and tight and it clicks, but this end can fall off, so you got to be careful of that. My older set that I had for 20 years, it was the same way. So, but other than that, you just have to make sure that when I store them, I usually store them this way, but I will keep them in this case from now on. I had taken them out before and I realized that was the problem. Okay, so we're going to do it again. We're going to do it with this one. Okay. So isn't that beautiful? It's so easy, and your writing is just fancy immediately. You just have to practice. Again, it all is practice makes progress, and you will be able to have beautiful writing with just quick like that. So you can bypass the brush markers, even though I love using the brush markers myself. But if you really want to get straight into it, pick you up a set of these Zig Calligraphy Markers. And again, the link is in the description below, and you can start off with this set of 4 and then expand. They do have larger sets, which I will be picking up the larger set eventually. Thank you for being here with me today. Keep creating in the sunshine. If you liked this video, hit that subscribe button, and we're going to be doing a giveaway when we hit 600 in our community. Keep creating in the sunshine. Stay safe. Bye-bye.